Let's move on to our last step in changing a mixed number into an improper fraction. So it says here, what is the last step in changing a mixed number to an improper fraction? It will be to write the results from step 2 over the denominator. So for example, here we have 10 and a half. 10 with a fraction of 1 over 2. First step says multiply the whole by the denominator. 10 times 2 equals 20. Then our second step is to take the 20 and add the numerator. So that'll be 1. The 1 is the numerator. 20 plus 1 equals 21. Now we're just kind of going to piece things together here for this third step. We're going to take the denominator from the original portion, from the original number, and just simply put it over the results from step number 2 and rewrite it. So step number 3 is kind of piecing everything together once again, and the final answer is 21 over 2. And that is the improper fraction of 21 and a half. Let's give you another example here. Moving on, 5 wholes with a fraction of 1/3. So we have 5 times 3 whole times the denominator of the fraction. So we have 15. Now we're going to take the 15 and we're going to add the numerator. The numerator is 1, and 15 plus 1 is 16. See the numerator here, add to the 15, and that's step 2, which gave us 16. And then for step 3, we're simply just going to drag this 3 and put it in the denominator. Alright, so now for step 3, we're left with 16 over 3, and that is the final answer there. Last example here is 20 with a fraction of 2/5. Alright, so 20, 2 over 5. First step, 20 times 5, that'll give us 100. For our second step, we're going to take the 100 and we're going to add 2, because 2 is the numerator in the fractional part, and we're given a sum of 102. Okay, right here you see the 2, and we're going to add it to 100. And for step 3, we're just going to simply take the 5 and drag it down and place it as a denominator over the results of step number 2. And that is step 3. Simply piecing it all together, 102 over 5.